Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make the key holder, something like that, similar to one, all the key inside the holder. It's not messy, easy to stick in, and very compact and very convenient to use. You can pick and choose whatever the key that you want. I'm not going to make the something same like this, but I'm going to make a different one with a different design slightly. For that, I took measurement of my previous one. It's about 8 cm the length, but if it's slightly longer will be better. So I decided to do about 8.5 because some of the key is longer, so I need more space. The width is about 2.5 or 2 cm. It depends on how big you want. There's no right or wrong. What I do, because I'm going to make it smaller, so I draw a line at the center. If it's 2 cm, it's about 1 cm each part. If you want 2.5, then 1.25. Just take a center line. It's the for the screw holder. For the screw hole, I put about 1.5 cm. I use the jewelry saw to cut the shape that I want. It's easier to cut. Then cut with the L shape. What I'm going to do is stack up on top of it, then join them with the screw. If you want to make in wood also can, metal or acrylic. For my case, I show you in acrylic sheet. Okay, something like that. Now I'm going to drill a hole on both sides. Take a center point and drill a hole. Okay, the drilling is done. You can notice that one side bigger hole than the others because of my screw. If you have, depending on what type of screw you are using, for my case, this is the screw that I'm going to use. That's why one side is bigger than the other side smaller. There are a few keys and the washers to arrange to the holder. How it's going to look like is that okay, something similar, because the screw go through one side, the other side just tighten with the nut. If you get any other type of screw, maybe you can use it accordingly. Post screw also can. If you can buy online, buy from online post screw. This is how it's going to look like. And this acrylic sheet have the protective paper that you can peel off. Okay, I have to remove the paper first. Both sides have the protective paper. Okay, then the other side. This one a little bit hard to remove. Bit more sticky. Okay, finally remove. You can put washer in between every key, then start stacking up. Put one key, one washer. Then you can check how many key that you can put in depending on your screw length. If it's more key, then you remove the key. If you got more space, you add in washer, so you can tighten it. You have to arrange and adjust. Okay, now you can see it's almost about 10 key is there, all stacked up nicely and very transparent. Something similar like the other one. You can use it individually. You can choose which key you want, then easy to use. You won't be bulky in your pocket. Okay, thank you for watching. I will see you with other video.